How do I pair my Kraken Kitty headset with an Xbox One?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to tackle the process of pairing your Kraken Kitty headset with an Xbox One console. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite games with top-tier audio.
Why can't I connect my Kraken Kitty headset via Bluetooth?
Let's start by addressing a common confusion. The Kraken Kitty headset does not support Bluetooth connectivity, which means we can't pair it with the Xbox One or any device wirelessly. We will connect it using a wired setup. Don't worry, the sound quality will still be amazing.
What will I need to connect my headset?
Before we start, ensure you have the following. 1. Your Kraken Kitty headset. 2. 3.5mm audio cable. This should come with your Kraken Kitty headset. 3. Your Xbox One console and controller.
How do I connect my Kraken Kitty headset to Xbox One?
Let's get into the meat of the matter. Follow these simple steps. 1. Plug in the 3.5mm audio cable into the Kraken Kitty headset. 2. Insert the other end of the 3.5mm audio cable into the port on your Xbox One controller. 3. Turn on your Xbox One and sign in. 4. Go to Settings, Display and Sound, Volume. 5. Under Party Chat Output, select Headset. You have now successfully paired your Kraken Kitty headset with your Xbox One console.
How do I adjust the audio settings?
To ensure you have the best audio experience, you may need to adjust the audio settings. 1. Go to Settings, Display and Sound, Volume. 2. Adjust the chat mixer settings according to your preference. 3. Modify headset volume and mic monitoring as needed. That's it. You're now ready to game with crystal clear sound. Thank you for joining us on this quick and easy journey on how to pair your Kraken Kitty headset with your Xbox One. We hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now all set to enjoy your favorite games with high-quality sound. Happy gaming!